Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential steps to verify your Gumroad seller account, so you can start selling with confidence right away. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete process of verifying your Gumroad seller account, ensuring your setup is smooth and compliant. Step 1. Start by logging into your Gumroad dashboard using your registered email and password. Once inside, head over to the Settings menu, which is found on the top right corner of the page. Step 2. In the Settings menu, select the option labeled Payout Settings or Seller Verification. This section is dedicated to your account information related to payments and verification. Step 3. You will be prompted to enter personal details, including your full legal name, address, and tax information. This is crucial as Gumroad uses this data to confirm your identity and comply with financial regulations. Step 4. Next, you'll need to upload valid identification documents. These can include a government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure that the photographs of your documents are clear and all details are readable to avoid delays. Step 5. After uploading your documents, double-check all the information you entered is accurate and up to date. Then submit your verification request. Gumroad will review your submission, which may take from a few hours up to a couple of days, depending on their current workload. Step 6. Once your account is successfully verified, you will receive a confirmation email. You can then proceed to link your payout method, such as your bank account or PayPal, to start receiving payments from your sales. Remember to keep your profile and payment information updated to prevent any interruptions. Step 7. If you encounter issues during verification, Gumroad offers support through their help center. You can reach out via email or chat for assistance troubleshooting common problems such as document rejection or mismatched information. In summary, verifying your Gumroad seller account is a straightforward but essential step that protects both you and your customers by ensuring secure and compliant transactions. Follow these steps carefully, and you will be ready to sell your digital or physical products quickly and securely.